black girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. I am Susie to all of my new subscribers. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Sue Gang family. But we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. I will be showing you guys how to make cheddar broccoli soup. So I did use a half a cup of butter, and I used a small onion, and I diced it. So for this, I did let my onions and butter cook for about 10 minutes, and now I am adding some salt, pepper, garlic, and carrots, and then we're gonna let that cook for about 5 minutes. Gonna go in with some red pepper, and I'm just gonna sprinkle that across, and we're gonna let that cook for about 1 more minute, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the flour. Now this next step with the flour is very important. So we are going to be using a half cup of flour. So as you can see me pouring it in, I did not pour it all. And you can see that it's starting to get thick, and you don't want it to get super thick, so I didn't put any more yet. I added butter because I got scared, because y'all, I tried to make cheddar broccoli soup for about, I think it was 4 times until I got it right. So yeah, I didn't want to mess this up. Okay, so now I am adding 4 cups of chicken broth. So as I'm stirring, I'm going to show you guys in 1 second. This is why I say don't pour all your flour, because as you can see, it's that little small little speck there. I had that in my broccoli soup a while ago, and I'm like, oh my god, no. So that was a total fail. And it was very disgusting because I had little clumps of flour. But I'm going to go ahead and add some broccoli. You can add as much as you like. I usually get the broccoli cuts, but they really don't cut them. Like, it just be there or where not. But you want to let your broccoli cook for a little while, so you don't want it like super hard or anything. So this is the next step with the flour. So I just sprinkle a little bit at a time so I can make sure I don't get those flour balls in there again. So this is very important. So I just continue to do this until I used all of my flour. So now we're gonna go in with our 2 cups of milk, and then we're gonna stir that, and after that then we're gonna add some heavy whipping cream, and we're going to use 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna stir that up and let it simmer for a couple minutes. And then after that, you want to make sure that you turn off the eye, and we're going to go ahead and add the cheese. So I did use 2 bags of cheddar, sharp cheddar cheese, okay? I should have just poured them in there, but y'all, I was trying to use my little glass bowls. I love kitchen utensils. But pretty much after you add your cheese and you let it sit for a little bit, then you'll be able to enjoy. And also at the end of this video, if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my last food video that I posted, my grilled chicken and cheddar sandwich, POTBELLY style. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was simple for you, and I hope you try to make this at home. If you do so, then tag me on social media and let me know how it tastes. But that's all I got for you guys. I'm not going to talk too much. I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out. Mwah. Peace.